Y'all, this is awesome here. Just gonna start up with how to set up a Project Zomboid server. What you're gonna be doing is looking up right here, search for game name Project Zomboid under Tools. It's gonna be called Project Zomboid Dedicated Server. Click Install, install it to a drive, and it should download. Shouldn't take too long. Till it's done, I'll be right back. Okay guys, it is done. It's finishing up here. That took a solid couple minutes, not even. So once it's done, what you'll be going to is going back to this. You're gonna right click Project Zomboid, go to manage, go to browse local files. You will not launch it from here, or you will not be able to play the game yourself because I believe Steam thinks it's acts as if it's a game. You'll be seeing all these files in here. If you're home hosting it, you would just run it this right here, 64-bit or the no Steam one. Once you launch it, I'm gonna connect it. Okay, so I have it on my remote desktop server. Okay, so it's gonna look weird. Okay, so it'll be like this. So what you'll do is just go back one folder to common. When you see Project Zomboid dedicated server, you're gonna just, if you're doing it on a remote server or a different drive, you'll just copy it over or drag it or upload it to your remote server. When you're there, you'll see this the folder. Open it up. So obviously start the x64. Once this starts up, it'll tell you to type in an admin password or something along those lines for the user. So once that's started, you'll be going back to your file explorer. Then what you want to do is go to this PC, C drive, users, and whatever user you're signed in as. Go to Zomboid, and this is where you're going to be editing your server stuff. Go to options. This will be where you change the frame rate, blood decals and stuff. I have no idea, to be honest, about that stuff. Then what you'll want to do is go to server test.ini. This is where you're going to be going to change it. I would really recommend you guys getting Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code. So this is where you will be looking at PvP. You can turn that on or off. When the server is empty, it'll pause itself. Global chat, streams, so you can change it. So all, whisper, yell, F, all. Clients may join. What we'll be looking at is the next video for this is the port forwarding one, which should already be out. And I'm just redoing this one so that it's easier to, so I don't have to redo the voiceover. What you'll be looking for is these workshop mods. You can change the player limit right here, 32 to like, let's just do 16. Ping limit, admin safe house. There might be a way to change the admin password. Another area that you will need to do for the workshop stuff. UPnP. You might need to change this to false if it's a remote server. 3D true so you can tell where the spatial audio. And then if you go all the way to the bottom, this is the anti-cheat stuff. Type 18, blah blah blah. I have no idea what that's all about. So this is where the config would be. If you wanted to see the logs, they're all right here. Saves. This is where the saves would be. You will need a lot of storage because it will. Oh, that's not that much. But if you have enough players on there, it does take up a lot of storage. This VPS I have is a 6 cores, 16 gigs of RAM, 100 gig hard drive space. So that runs it smoothly enough until the next video for how to install the mods, workshop mods and stuff, and get that properly set up. Just gotta sit tight for that, as it'll take me a little bit to figure out how to do that, and then I will post it. That's all.